Patrick, it's good to see you. Listen, I hope I'm not barging in on anything.
Out there, I just kind of like.
And I'm interviewing a woman who, by the way, you just look like $1 million.
Wrap it up like I'm just kind of.
Yeah, but this is Mr. Pregnant Guy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, the all-encompassing Mr. Pregnant is a metaphor for full of it. That was like...
Them two mushu.
I amp up the mushu. I say, give me more mushu.
Your hair, by the way, since we've started, your hair has started to move around.
Should I pop a good mic on here?
You sound great.
Have to do with the fourth.
I have five suede jackets and 4.
So you are all, I heard that you are also...
You got your, what are you eating there?
Yo, look who I'm with.
No, it's how the fuck you mean?
Do you see Young Fly?
Yes, sir.
Yo.
You were the prime antagonist. Let me make sure I look. How do I look? I look good, huh?
Hello, I'm Patrick Bateman, and you must be Cato. Very much, it gives me energy. It also gives me a coarseness that I... Atelston, Fitzgerald, Holder the First.
Yes, sir.
And you're...
It's either been a week or it's been...
And I'm a fan. What can I tell you?
Well, I'm a fan too, and...
How do I look? I look good, huh?
Which is meat. You know, you can eat it every day. I'm seeing you sideways right now.
Okay, how is this? Better?
Is that better? I have to introduce you because you're. Yeah, man, I haven't seen you in a while. How long's it been? How long's it been? I haven't seen you in a while.
In love with Bruce Lee, and he played Cato.
Yeah. Did you know that Cato is actually the name of a Native American tribe?
Don't tell me, I don't know.
Ever done a Zoom before?
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares, because it was right around when things were a little gray, if you will. And someone said, this
world-renowned, best-selling author.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence. Tell us about you on Dancing with the Stars as well, right? Been in over 150 movies.
In for Jeff, and I'm interviewing a woman who, by the way, you just look like $1 million.
I'm the one interviewing you.
I'm down. No.
Guys, welcome to the Jeff Richards Show. My name is Jason Tebow.
Wow. Wow. How you doing, man?
Hey, Jimmy.
It's good to see you, Russell Peters, man.
My friends call me the Teeb, and that includes you. Today I'm filling in for...
What did I do?
Sure, and I think the thinking and the ideology behind having such a guest at this particular time.
Tell me about the
So you have
Well, I know something. I mean,
we
I know
have
you're
inferential,
you and
we have subjective.
Look, I don't know anything about a ladle. I know what it is.
you were the prime. I beg your pardon.
Let's explore the philosophical aspect of mental disorder. Let's talk about solipsism. And it's dualistic. So you have to have form and formless.
Objective, and the way they go about evidence is sort of circular.
good. Should I pop a good mic on here?
You sound great. You got your, what are you eating there?
Vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon. It's like a V, expanding V. where the two receding lines of the V diminishes.
I'm eating all the healthy things my wife is making for me lately. We've been on what I call the we've been on what I call the Papillon diet.
I was hoping someday I would be able to work with you at the Comedy Store, which happened a number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
I do. I remember that.
Yeah.
You have to let me ask the question.
Like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary.
Yeah, to be in your presence.
Now, if Pitbull would be a Pitsu.
How do they know which name goes first?
Go.
I'm gonna do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure. Please showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Yeah, I became infatuated with art. You can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface.
Oh, I do? Oh, excuse me. I didn't know I had to.
But you have to follow different laws.